We've got all our equipment in flight. On the surface, we've connected our primary fuel vessel to the Q4000. That's been pressure tested. We've connected all of the subsea equipment, and we're in the final stages of pressure testing it. We're in the final stages of testing all of our pressure measurement equipment to make sure that everything's ready to go to start the first
videotape stuff and then send it to my mom. She would love it because then it's basically like I'm there.
Government declared a fishery disaster in Alabama, Louisiana, and Mississippi. So that means that they're eligible for federal aid. Almost 20% of Gulf Coast fisheries have been closed because of the oil still gushing into the Gulf. 20%. All right, one of the most effective ways so far of combating that oil has been the use of chemical dispersants. The EPA says the one BP is using, though, is too toxic.
Hit the little red button. Record this. Record this. Hold on. It's gonna come over our head. There it is. Record that. It's right there. You're totally blind.
What?
It just went over our head twice. There's a black bird right there.
Where?
You'll see. He's behind a tree right there. Watch. He's gonna come. He flew right over us. God, you're lucky. You're blind. Helping you if you're hungry. He wants to eat you.
Look at our cactus.
Are you even recording?
Yeah. Let's say hi.
Hi.
And this is our couch.
Our couch.
And our house. With our birds. It's outside Flagler. We should go on the beach sometime and film it.
Uh-huh.
And this is our neighbors downstairs, AC. So where's the bird?
It's gone.
It's pretty windy today.
Hello.
Do you want to say something to my mom?
Hi, Mom. Hey.
Well, how do I stop it?
Hit the red button.